Going back on the road tomorrow. But today is about getting the truck and the trailer back to where they need to be because we have been lazy for 2 weeks. I mean, look at this. Oof. Yikes. Our dog Moose is a lot of things. Friendly? Yep. Cuddly? Very. Vicious? Sometimes. And a huge jerk? Absolutely. That's what he likes to do to my doors. I'm sure you've noticed this in the other videos. Well, I have a fix. Well, temporary fix until the next time he does this, and it's called tape. The joys of dog ownership. How's it going, boss?
Good, yourself?
Pretty good.
Your deal change?
Yeah.
Right on. We're actually gonna put you on right there.
Oh.
Shouldn't be too long before we get you inside.
Cool.
Just due to the pandemic, we gotta go through some screen questions before we get you inside there. We can go over some symptoms that we need you to make COVID.
Yeah.
So that's like Canada in the last 14 days.
Yeah. We are moving today. Finally getting back on the road after a nice break. Looking forward to seeing what is west of here. It's been a long time since I've been through this way. We're gonna take hopefully some new routes. Just gonna get this trailer dumped at the closest campsite to Erin's parents' place. So we'll get this done. So we're turning away from the Great Lakes.
Hi, Great Lakes.
Hi, Great Lakes.
You were amazing.
We're headed towards Kenora now, Lake of the Woods area. Who knows how far we're gonna get? It says it's 5 hours away, but I know that with Harlan in the picture, it's probably gonna be closer to 7 or 8. Maybe we'll make it, maybe we won't. Let's see what happens. What are we having for lunch, babe?
Oh, we are having our traditional grilled chicken salad.
Grilled chicken salad for lunch at the lunch stop. What are you doing, Harlan? Playing with some shoes and a shaker? What we got happening here? Oh, we got 1 salad, 2 salads. Meat.
Lunch.
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 Oh, we're gonna have a wet doggy.
Oh.
Oh, this is ever nice water. It's clean.
So fresh and so clean. Babe, we've been accepted.
Yes.
We've been accepted by the ranch.
Okay, so tell me about the ranch.
It sounds awesome. They allow slide outs, barbecues, pets, generators, lawn chairs. That's what I'm talking about. And 30 amp electric hookup. It's on a lake. And they've got 15 spots, which is awesome.
Nice. What's the
And
property like?
It looks sick. It's secluded, it's got beachfront, it's lakefront, there's sand beaches. New for 2021, they have Starlink.
No way.
High-speed internet covering the entire property.
That's crazy.
Yeah, isn't that awesome?
That is, I am gonna do some work. We should stay for more than 2 days. Maybe we'll see. We'll see when we get there if they're
I think we
amenable to
might-
that.
Yeah, we may like the area.
So this is Don. He's our host from Boondockers Welcome here in Kenora, and he's showing us his 2021 Grand Design Solitude. What do you got for us?
It's a 390 RKR.
So that's rear kitchen RK?
Rear kitchen. R stands for refrigerator, residential.
3 slides, count them. 1, 2, 3. On one side. Oh, and you've got a pull out. Oh my god. Okay.
And then you have your pull-out kitchen.
Are you going to be keeping this griddle or putting your Blackstone
No, my
down?
Blackstone's going in
Yeah.
there.
Oh yeah, we have a Blackstone too.
Yeah. We've got the 17-inch, but I know you're balling with the 22. Oh, nice. Look at that.
Now it can either go that way or this key. You can unpin it and it can swing.
Oh, wow.
And then you actually have a bar on this side.
No way.
It comes up. So you can put prep stuff on there, or people can sit there and have cocktails while you're cooking. You come in here, watch your nose, Moose. We'll start with the kitchen.
Okay.
Oh, holy! Oh, this is awesome. This is like your sitting room.
I love the
Den.
windows.
Oh, the windows. Yeah.
Look at this slide. Look at it. Look at the windows in here.
Well, and the neat thing with these over the blinds I had in the other one is these are black oak blinds.
Oh, that's nice.
Nice.
So when they're closed, you don't see anything.
Yeah.
What I like, especially,
Oh, look at that.
Nice.
Into the kitchen.
you can actually cook a turkey in
Oh
here.
my god.
Oh.
We're not even sure we can keep ours running for more than a few minutes at a time.
And then you have a full-on residential fridge. It's beautifully cold in there.
Yeah.
It is big.
And this is awesome. You can like watch the game from here.
Huge island.
Yep.
Like this is awesome.
And then the island has lighting all the way around as
Oh,
well.
that's really nice.
Alright.
You know what? Look at this thing.
Yeah.
So you pull it up.
Oh.
You got 2 receptacles and 2
We need
USB.
that. We need that.
We need this whole rig.
We need this whole rig. This rig is sweet.
Yeah, we're going to. Here, I'll follow you guys through.
I love this window.
The windows are
so awesome.
one of the selling features to me.
Oh my goodness, of course.
So then you come up here. You have to forgive the mess. We're just trying to get it set up.
Well, you're moving in, you can't be blamed for having some
We're
things.
never done moving.
So
No, it never ends.
Holy!
His and her sinks.
Wow!
Look
Check
at that
out
wood
the.
bench
Look at that.
and
wood
the
bench.
gooseneck
Yeah,
with
look
the
at
body.
there
This is a solid door.
it is. It is.
Oh my.
And then you look in here.
Oh. We're actually doing laundry today. We have a washing machine that we got on Amazon for $230.
Sweet.
And it washes and spins, doesn't dry.
Okay. Well, you know what? Hang it out.
That.
Don, I gotta ask, what are you using to tow this?
F450 2021.
Oh, you don't say.
King Ranch.
The King Ranch. Well, that's that'll do in a pinch, eh?
It will. It doesn't even notice it's behind.
No way. So this is the King Ranch. They've obviously got this set up for the dog, but look at these seats. Oh my.
Powered by the 6.7 diesel.
The Power Stroke 6.7 liter diesel engine. What a beauty. What do you got in the center console here?
There's a safe in there.
Oh my.
Yeah, that came about because of Border Patrol in Texas and Arizona. Every time we go through there, they want to see your passport, and I hate carrying my passport. So we just leave it in there and lock it up and lock the truck.
You've been hosting people on your property to camp virtually for free.
The reason I do it, sometimes I question myself, to be honest, but the reason is the walk of life people that you meet from all over, the stories, the learning experience. Some have become great friends, like the fellow that just left.